Welcome to the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Getling and Gino Franti, where you come for your daily dose of real estate market updates. And guess what? Yesterday, February 1st, was all quiet on the Western Front. Everything was pretty calm yesterday, wasn't it, Don?
Well, what we want to do is give you an update. What's happening with all the markets? You've been hearing about the stock market crashing. So what does that mean to you? Let's look at the first chart, the S&P 500. What has been happening with that? Oh, no!
Well, they had the big crash, then a little bit of stability, and then a typical rebound. Now, what we need to be careful with here is the trend. And a lot of times when you have a big crash like this, you get a little correction, almost about halfway back up the loss, and then it goes down for another dip. So let's keep our eye on that.
Okay. Next to me is a dip.
Wow.
Oh, anyways. Here's the next
Key
chart.
that one up.
What happens when the stock market crashes? Well, this is a stock market crashing. Now we're in a channel, but let's see what the good news is this next chart. This is the bond chart. This is what controls long-term interest rates.
Yeah, and what's nice is this isn't directly a change that was correlated only to our bond market, Don. This is something that's happening on an international level, triggered by Japan changing interest rates with another stimulus program. That's right, worldwide stimulus we've been seeing, and negative return on their interest rates for the first time in history.
So, the good news for all of us, by looking at this chart, is interest rates have gone down to some of the lowest level we've seen in quite some time. That means it is time to take action. It's good news.
Yep, I just took a look at it. It's actually the best interest rate since May. Other than a single day here or there, best rate since May. So can't think of a better way to take advantage of this real estate market.
All right, so whether you're thinking about refinancing, getting rid of mortgage insurance, buying an investment home, buying that next home, or buying your first home, check out this chart that we did a month ago, and it's already outdated because rates have improved.
Yeah, outdated in the right direction, Don.
Yes.
What I love about this is, as rents have continued to climb, homes have been finding themselves more affordable. Even with the price of homes that have come up for the last year, it's still affordable because rents have gone up so severely. And if you look at this chart and you look at the interest rates we used, rates are at least 0.25% better than they were back then.
That's right. So if you look at this chart, this just gives you some idea that, believe it or not, you get to write off your taxes, your interest, you're paying down your principal. So, for example, if you were to buy just on an FHA home around the $450,000 mark, your payment, total payment, back when the interest rates were at 4%, they're even lower now, was $2,783. But the cool thing was your net payment was $1,600 a month.
Yeah, and what ends up happening there, Don, is it ends up resulting in a net worth over 10 years of over $250,000 or as much as $300,000.
That's right. Or, if you look to the left, you could throw away $127,000 to rent for somebody else.
Right? Don't we always say it? You're always paying a mortgage. It might as well be yours. So if you'd like to pay for your own mortgage, reach out to Don and Gino. The best way to do that is to reach out to us at donandgino@gmail.com. Or give us some text and check out our show every day.
That's right. You can text NREC to the number 58885. It goes right to your phone, or find out more at nrecafe.com.